is Marilyn Felinago. My metric number is 268282. Today, my group and I will presenting about our business plan. The industry that we have choose here is sports and entertainment industry. So this business plan has been prepared by Leo Jun Yuan, Ajo Ayuni, Tan Jazun, Tan Wenwa, and also myself. So here is the content of our business plan. The part that I'm going to present is executive summary and also business summary of this business plan. First and foremost, let me introduce about our newly built company. We will name our company as Jersey For You Sendirian Berhad. Jersey For You is a new retail company that sells sports jersey, and it will be headquartered in Alostar, Kedah. So the type of the business that we are going to do here is private limited company. The Alostar was chosen because of its diverse and active culture. The location is also considered as strategic because it is nearby to our supplier, which located in Sungai Petani. If our supplier want to deliver goods to our shop, it only needs about like 55 minutes to reach our shop by lorry. There are three main objectives of the business plan that we have designed. The first one is it helps us to create goals and objectives. By designing a complete business plan, our management team will be able to focus on the areas that will help us in realizing our company's objective and goals. And the second one is it acts as a tool for evaluating performance of a company as a whole. We will include the sales target and also projected financial statement in our business plan. Thus, it enables us to compare the actual performance of our company with the projected one. And the third one is it helps our management team in gauging business strategy and applying due correction. If any of the strategy that we do are found to be unsuccessful in achieving a relevant result, we will take corrective action. The business value of our company will clearly state our philosophy towards achieving the company's goals and objectives. So the first one, we are stressed about integrity. We are honest, open, ethical, and fair. People trust us to adhere to our words. We are also patient. We are continuously moving forward, innovating, and improving. We support diversity. We encourage healthy debates and difference of opinion among us. And we stress about customer satisfaction. We will try our best to maximize our customer satisfaction through our product and service. Performance. Sport is the foundation for all we do here in our company, and excellence is the core value of our company. So we have designed this business plan based on the problem that arise in the community of Alostar. So we have identified these two major problems, which is the first one is there is a rapid changes in people lifestyle. People in Kedah are more aware to maintain their health during this pandemic of COVID-19 by doing exercise. So when they want to exercise, they need like sports jersey in order for them to exercise comfortably. And the second one is there is a shortage of sport apparel shop where customers can get high quality of sports jersey with an affordable price. So the solution that we are going to make here is the first one is our action. Jersey For You will open a shop in Alostar near Aman Central Shopping Complex, Kedah. So the target market for our sports jersey, we will targeting family members who are active in doing exercise to maintain their health. The competition of our business, we are expecting that the potential to enter this industry is quite difficult because we need to compete with those giant stores such as sportdirect.com. However, we are still optimistic that the competition in local area is somewhat sparse because we have our own unit that our competitors cannot offer us. So after all, why us? The community in people in Kedah should choose us because we provide high quality sports jersey with competitively low price. We also provide latest design of sports jersey which is suitable for all ages. So here is the product and services that we are going to offer. As you can see from the picture, we will provide a sports jersey which is designed specifically for exercise purposes. It made from high quality cotton which leaves soft and comfortable feelings to the users. It also has the characteristic of being a good absorbent and breathable. So it also can be worn as a casual attire during hot weather in Kedah. So here is our financial highlight for a year plan. As you can see from here, we will start to break even in the month of April. We anticipate 320,000 and 700 ringgit of sales in the first year of our company's operation. Business summary. There are three purposes of the business that we are going to achieve. The first one is to make Jessie for You a preferred store among customers. Second one is to promote healthy lifestyle among society in Alostar. Is to achieve a 20% increase in sales in the fifth month and maintain a minimum monthly increase of 10% thereafter. The mission of our company is to provide consumers with the best quality of sports jersey with an affordable price for all ages, as well as to uphold the highest standard in reliability and professionalism. The vision of our company is to become a preferred store for sports jersey shirt among consumers through our focused approach in quality, price, and service. There are five keys to success in doing our business and achieving our objective and goals. I'm going to introduce about our management team in our company. So I'm going to be as a director of this company where I'm responsible in making the strategic decision of this company. While Najwa Ayuni will hold a financial manager position in our company, she is responsible in maintaining our financial health of our company. And Leojen Wen will act as operating manager of our company, where he responsible in day-to-day operation in the store. And Tan Jia will become a marketing manager of our company, and she's responsible in developing and also implementing the marketing strategy to drive sales of our company. And then Tan Wenhua will help position of human resource manager in our company. She's responsible in recruiting, interviewing, and also staffing our staff. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Najwa Ayuni, matric number 273431. So I'm going to present about market analysis summary, which is market segmentation and market needs. There are four types of market segmentation. These are geographical, demographic, physiographic, and behavior segmentation. The first one is geographical segmentation. It divides the market into different geographical units or groups based on location. We intend to operate in urban area and open the shop in Alostar, Kedah. Why we open in this area? It is because this area is the focus of the customer. It will be easy for the customer to find our product. The next one is demographic segmentation. It divides the market into groups by using variables that describe individuals such as gender, age, family size, and occupation. The age factor is going to determine the purchase audience. Our target potential customers are from children and youth. Everyone can buy and wear this shirt because we produce a various size of shirt. Both gender, male or female, can wear it. The third one is physiographic segmentation. It divides the market into groups based on social class. This segmentation is very effective for our company. We produce a various interesting and unique pattern sketch with reasonable price that is 30 ringgit per unit. All classes can afford it. The last one is behavior segmentation. It divides the market into groups based on the knowledge, attitude, and reaction of buyers. Customer loyalty is very important in strengthening the company's position. We offer a free gift to loyal customers like socks and inner. Market needs. There are three types of market needs, which is pricing, market trend, and consumers and customers' needs. The first one is pricing. Price plays a key role in market needs. Customer wants to buy a cheap product with a good quality. Price can be defined as price that the consumer want to pay. We offer a very reasonable price, which is 30 ringgit per unit. We will give a discount or free gift to consumer that buy in a large quantity. Next one is market trend. It can be defined as changes of interest in society from time to time. It will be determine future business strategy. We will conduct a survey on social media about customer satisfaction. It will help us in understanding and identifying the needs and requirements of the customer. Jersey shirt is very popular among children and youth. The last one is customers' needs. It's very important in determining the success of a company. Company needs prioritize customers' needs. Based on customers' perspective, positive buyers have the desire to buy a product that are beautiful, unique, quality and comfortable to wear. We produce a unique sport jersey with different pattern sketch. By knowing the customer's needs, we are able to give a better recommendation that suits their needs.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Liu Zhenyuan, matrix number 269663. Now I will talk about our strategy and implementation summary. So, I will talk about our SWOT analysis, which is the analysis of our strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So, our strengths, first one, is that we have high quality sports jerseys. Also, we have professional online customer service where customer can buy our products online. Also, we have physical retail shop, especially for those who want to experience real shopping experience as well. And also, we have wide experience in products and business know-how. So our weakness will be is that we have no control in the production of the sport jersey because we normally get the product from our supplier or the manufacturer. Our opportunity will be is that people nowadays are more aware of the importance of health and they have the exercise habit. So our second opportunity is that our products are suitable for people from all the ages, from young to old. So our threat will be the outbreak of COVID-19 because the outbreak of COVID-19 will affect our product delivery, and also our second threat is that there are many competitors in the same area. So next I will talk about marketing strategy. So mainly we have 5 marketing strategy. The first one will be online platform. For example, we will use Facebook to post our products and also to do advertisements and also to do advertisement where a customer can buy our products there. And also we have official website such as Wix.com where customer can buy our product and make their payment online so that they can have a more convenient way to buy things. And also we will be joining e-commerce platforms such as Lazada and Shopee. For example, on the day of 11th of November and 12th of December, we will have promotion and we will reduce the selling price in order to boost up our volume of the sport jersey sold. Okay, so fourthly, we will have physical retail shop, which is located at Alostar Kedah, and it is open for those who want to experience real shopping experience. And fifth, we will have seasonal promotions. For example, during June, during the Hari Raya Aidilfitri, we will sell our sport jersey with a cheaper price at RM20. Okay, so next I'll talk about the sales forecast. So for example, our forecast is that the unit sold will increase from January to December, and in the month of June and November, the volume of units sold will be double up when we sell our products with a cheaper price at RM20. Okay, so next is our sales strategy. So mainly we have 3 sales strategy. The first one is we will analyze the trends, fashion and style of the market because majority of our customers are from the youth and teenagers. So we will analyze what kind of dress they like. And also we will give the feedback to our manufacturers and supplier as well. And other than that, we will have service after sale. For example, we will have a feedback space for customer to give their feedback on how we can improve our service as well. And also we will update our latest information to the customer so that our customer can always know about our latest information of the product. And thirdly, we will diversify our selling method. For example, we will do online marketing using Facebook and LinkedIn and also Instagram as well so that we will increase the outreach from our customer. And next, I will talk about the assumption for the demand of the products. So the first one will be JC for you Cinderella Berhad will capture 0.6% of the Alostar target market in 1 year. And also our product margin will be 33.33% with selling price of RM30 per sports jersey. And also the demand of sports jersey will be increasing from all ages over the next 5 years. And also an investment of 50,000 from the owners of the company will be used as the capital of our company as well. And our marketing, distribution, and sale relationship will be maintained. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, doctor. My name is Tan Wenwa. My metric number is 253746. I would like to present Part 5 Financial Plan of our business. Start with cost report. Fixed cost was calculated in monthly. Fixed cost of our business contain rental 800 ringgit, utilities 200 ringgit, insurance expenses 100 ringgit, depreciation expenses 100 ringgit, marketing expenses 200 ringgit, and management team salary 11,000 ringgit. So total fixed cost was 12,400 ringgit. Continue with variable cost that calculate per unit, which is direct material 10 ringgit. Let's have a summary of our cost report. Fixed cost monthly 12,400 ringgit and variable cost per unit 10 ringgit. And we decide the selling price of our product is 30 ringgit per unit. Next, CVP analysis. For our business plan, we have applied the CVP knowledge. CVP stands for cost, volume, profit. This analysis is used to determine how change in cost and volume affect a company operating income and net income. In performing this analysis, there are several assumptions made, including sales price per unit is constant, variable cost per unit are constant, total fixed costs are constant, and costs are only affected because activity change. CVP analysis requires that all the company costs be identified as variable or fixed. Here is our inventory report. Our company will start the operation with 3 months inventory on hand, which is 1,500 units for sport jerseys, as this is the main revenue generator. After that, from April to September, our inventory entry is 1,000 units respectively. Sales are expected to be relatively low in the first few months, increasing much higher in the month after that. So inventory entry from October to December increasing to 2,000 units. As conclude, ending balance for inventory is 50,220 ringgit. Our business plan consists of 12 months, which is January to December 2021. Next slide, break-even analysis. If we want to find out break-even point, we need to calculate the contribution margin first. Unit selling price 30 ringgit less unit variable cost 10 ringgit, we will get contribution margin per unit 20 ringgit. After that, unit contribution margin 20 ringgit divided by unit selling price 30 ringgit, we will get contribution margin ratio 0.67 or 67%. In order to get the break-even point in units, we need to use fixed cost 12,400 divided by contribution margin per unit 20 ringgit, and the result is 620 units. The other way, fixed cost 12,400 divided by contribution margin ratio 0.67, then we can get break-even point in RM, which is 18,507 ringgit. As summarized, based on the calculation, JC's for you Sendirian Berhad, we need to sell 620 units of JC's cert to break even, which is 18,507 ringgit in total sales revenue. This is the break-even graph. The break-even point can be defined as a point where total cost, expenses, and total sales revenue are equal. Break-even point can be defined as a point where there is no net profit or loss. The firm just break even. Graphically, it is the point where total cost and total sales curve meet. Any company which want to make abnormal profit desire to have a break-even point. That's all from me. Thank you.
Afternoon, sir. My name is Tanya Jun, metric number 254156. Now I will continue to present the financial plan, which is projected profit and loss. Our company sells the Jessie at 30 ringgit per unit. However, for the June and the November, it's only 20 ringgit per unit. So for year 2021, the total sales revenue is 320,700 ringgit. And we need to minus the cost of sales, which is 10 ringgit per unit. The total cost of sales is 190,780 ringgit. After that, it will come out the gross profit, which is 20,920 ringgit. And we need to less all of the expenses, which include the salary, insurance expenses, depreciation expenses, rental, marketing expenses, and the utilities as well. For the total expenses, which is 148,800 ringgit. So after minus the gross profit with the total expenses, it's come out the profit before interest and tax, which is 52,120 unit. And expect there are no any taxes in this year, so the net profit is 52,120 ringgit. Next is about the projected cash flow statement. At the beginning, our management team will come out the 10,000 per person. So we have 5 person in our management team. So the capital is 50,000. For the cash receipt, which total out the capital with the sales and become the total cash receipt. After we calculate the total cash receipt, we need to minus all of the cash disbursement, which is include the rental, utilities, marketing expenses, management team salary, insurance expenses, dividend, direct material, and the purchase of equipment, and come out the total cash disbursement. So at the January, we minus the total cash receipt with the total cash disbursement and come out the net cash flow. For the ending cash balance, for the January is 11,700 ringgit, and we need to bring this value to February and become the beginning cash balance. So at the December, the ending cash balance is 68,100 ringgit. Next is about the projected balance sheet. For the non-current asset, the equipment is 20,000, and we need to less the accumulated depreciation, which is 1,200 ringgit. 1,200 ringgit. So the net non-current asset is 80,800 ringgit. And we need to total out with the current asset, which include the cash 68,100 ringgit, inventory 15,220 ringgit. So the total asset is 102,120 ringgit. And there are no any liability in this year. For the equity, the capital is 50,000, and with the retained earning 52,120 ringgit. So for the total liability and equity is 102,120 ringgit. Next one is about the business ratio, and we calculate the 5 business ratio for our company. The first one is contribution margin ratio, which is total contribution margin divided by total sales times 100%. The calculation is 11,978 units times 20 ringgit divided by 320,700 ringgit times 100%. So the answer is 74.7%. That our company are able to cover the business expenses and the fixed costs as well. Next is about the net profit margin, which is net profit 52,120 ringgit divided by sales 320,700 ringgit times 100%, and come out the answer, which is 16.25%. Means that every 1 ringgit of the sales, our company can earn 16 cents in net profit. Next is about the variable cost ratio, which is variable cost divided by net sales times 100%. The calculation is 11,978 units times 10 ringgit divided by 320,700 ringgit times 100%. So the answer is 37.35%. Means that every 1 ringgit of the revenue, we spend 37 cents in our variable cost. Next is about the excess turnover, which is the sales 320,700 ringgit divided by total asset 102,120 ringgit. And the answer is 3.14. Means that our company can use the asset in generating the sales revenue efficiency. So for the last one is return on equity. The formula is net profit 52,120 ringgit divided by shareholder equity 102,120 ringgit, and the answer is 0.51. Means that every 1 ringgit of common stock shareholder equity, we can earn 51 cents in this year. So that's all from our group. Thank you.